How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. Some of you guys have been asking, what are some of the best VPNs that you can use for beginners and for newbies, generally people that really just don't want to tinker with any of the advanced settings with VPNs. I know some VPNs could look a little bit intimidating, but I've tested over a couple of dozen VPNs in terms of the user experience and ease of use, and I've narrowed it down to Express, Nord, and Surfshark as the best overall. They all vary in budgets and features though, so pick and choose depending on your own situation, your specific needs, preferences, and where you're looking for out of your VPN, and your budget, of course. So let's start with ExpressVPN, which is going to be the easiest to use. As you can tell, the user interface is very straightforward. The recently used locations, an on and off button, and you have the locations list, which is also sorted out by continent, and you have the speed tester. You have the options, and that's all you need to know, really. You've got the kill switch and split tunneling. The kill switch will stop your internet connection if the VPN disconnects unexpectedly, and split tunneling will allow you to choose which applications are routed through the VPN and which are not, so it's a pretty useful feature. But overall, that's all you get with ExpressVPN. Only what you need. Very consistent, reliable, and very well-coded application that will almost never fail you. So it's a very good VPN overall in terms of ease of use. You've got over 3,000 servers in 94 countries, and again, you'll be able to secure up to 5 devices per subscription with ExpressVPN. Now with NordVPN, you've got over 5,000 foreign servers in 60 countries, and you'll be able to secure up to 6 devices per subscription. Now, NordVPN is still pretty easy to use. The map design can be a little bit clunky sometimes, but you can still use the search bar to look for countries. And of course, you can just go down the list and pick your country, or, well, just refresh your geography and go through the map and figure out which country is where. Okay, so besides that, NordVPN is actually a very good VPN as it offers a whole bunch of bonus features besides the kill switch and split tunneling. You do have the kill switch as well as an app kill switch. You do have split tunneling, custom DNS for an easy way to change your DNS, and the NordLynx protocol, making NordVPN arguably the fastest VPN in the business. And you have 5 types of specialty servers, and overall it's just a great, well-rounded VPN that offers a whole lot of value and features for a very reasonable price. Now, if you're looking for, well, the ability to secure a virtually unlimited number of devices with just a single subscription, you can go with Surfshark. And again, very easy to use, very straightforward. You have the quick connect button, which you can set up to connect to any server, any selected server that you choose. You can just click Quick Connect and it will connect you to the New York. I'll go ahead and just turn off NordVPN. You don't want to have 2 VPNs on at the same time. And it will just connect to New York because I do have it set up to connect to New York. And you still have the kill switch, a bunch of protocols, including the fastest protocol, the WireGuard protocol, bypasser, which is the same as split tunneling pretty much, and a couple of features that help you if you're in a censorship heavy country. And overall, the user experience is just very satisfactory. It's quick. It may take a little bit longer compared to NordVPN and ExpressVPN when it comes to connecting to a specific server, but still, it's a great VPN. All these VPNs are very easy to use. They, again, allow you to bypass all kinds of geo restrictions, unblock streaming services. You can torrent safely and do all kinds of things while using these VPNs, while resting assured that you're going to be safe and anonymous while using these VPNs. So if you guys are interested in any of these VPNs, you'll find links to pricing and discounts in the description down below, as well as full reviews if you'd like to learn more about the privacy policy, speed streaming, and torrenting capabilities, as well as security and features. And of course, they're all covered by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test drive these VPNs for 30 days risk-free. Otherwise, you can simply get yourself the refund if you're not satisfied for whatever reason. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.